The builders who are coming from outside the state, from everywhere from India, they come here without verifying documents. They go into buying land. They buy land from Communidade. They don't verify documents, they buy the land and then afterwards they use their muscle power, as in this case. The builder has brought 6 bouncers and is not allowing the people to have access to the land that has been taken away fraudulently. The whole transaction is fraudulent. So we want to send a clear message to all the builders in India who attempt to come to Goa to buy land, to be cautious and study the documents clearly before buying any land. Now in this case, there is a clear violation of section 17A and 12 with regard to environment clearance. And importantly, the matter is in court. It's in the court as I have mentioned there.
Which court?
In the session, in the
Senior Division, Civil Judge Senior Division at Pandi.
court.
When the matter was in a civil court, Mr. Pasquale did not disclose that he has created third party right, that is Mr. Lorca, in the entire proceeding as on now. So when we used to
He already been sold in 2006.
2006 Pasquale resold it, created a third party right.
Who has sold this to Pasquale?
Pasquale has sold it to Mr. Longa, so that the entire population in the state of Goa is aware how the Communidade line at Bambolim village in survey number 93/2, 93/3, 93/4 at measuring 97,000 square meters is fraudulently sold to Mr. Pasquale by Mr. Raghurai Tamba with Dionys Cardoz and his wife Dionys Dias Bambolim.